SugarBoxingCom presents.
Thank you everyone who purchased our all-poster iron combos. This was our first poster, quite generic visually, to be honest, but it did undergo several changes since 2017. Although it looks easy, it took us several years to compile a library of moves to break down actual combinations on a punching bag. For all of you who supported us, we begin this series about the iron combos combined with heavy water-based bag workout. Part 1, 7 or 8, 6, 1, or Bob jab, right punch to the body, left hook. Bob jab to the head or body, right hook or straight right to the body, left hook to the head or body. Technique in general. There are two versions, one for the long range and the other one for the mid-range. Let's begin with the mid-range. Bob jab, in this case, begins with the clockwise motion of hips with the help of feet twist. This builds the tension in the shoulder, so in the next phase you shoot the left hand off the shoulder with the arm extension. Meanwhile, your head moves to the right and down. Next, transfer weight from the right leg to the left leg. While doing it, shoot right hand to the body. You might aim at solar plexus or jaw if you can reach it. Now your head is on the left as well. At the end of the phase, do not rise up. Make sure you sit down on the left leg. The right punch to the body can be just a feint. It doesn't have to be hard. If you understand our terminology, this phase is a U-roll combined with the right body hook. Finally, push with the left leg and connect with the left hook either to the body or to the head. Note on head movements. Let's trace how the head moves. You begin by moving your head down to the right. In other words, you slip to the outside. Then from right to left while still down. In other words, you U-roll from right to left. Finally, you rise back to the top when throwing the left hook. And then the evasive head movements by doing V-bops. The head trajectory forms a triangle shape around the line of fire of the opponent. The key is to always move the head around the line of fire. This was the philosophy of Kaz D'Amato. Long version versus mid version. The difference between the long versus mid version is in the direction one steps in with the jab. If you are far, try to hop in diagonally forward. If you are at mid range, there is no need to advance forward, just step to the side. What is 7 at mid-range as Bob jab to the head? It becomes 8 or body jab at long range, based on what one can reach from there. Limitations of the heavy bag workout. This shows the limitation of the heavy bags in general. The difference between the heavy bag and the ring is that typically the opponent is moving backwards, so to prepare for the real fight situation, one has to punch while stepping in each time or even leap with the left hook at the end to reach the opponent. If this seems not possible on the heavy bag, at least try to circle it rather than just move in and out. Variations from Mike Tyson training videos. Instead of bobbing, which is almost vertical, Mike Tyson would crouch extra to roll under. You can add a step to the side or to U-roll or U-bob. Other variations can include double or even triple left hook, combined with diagonal U-bob. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for new videos on other combinations.